What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel in the man cave, catching some Johnny Schultz. Why are we here today? Got a cool DIY, super cheap, super easy way for you to store your precious glide baits. Let's check it out. You may be a bit surprised, but at Walmart, you can get the cheapest glide bait storage you can probably ever find. Hear me out now. People pay lots of money for these, right? I don't. I paint my own. You've seen that. But, and by the way, just throw a plug in there. If you need a bait painted or something, just holla at your boy. We can hook you up. But for real, I've tried multiple different ways to store glide baits and just hadn't found anything that I liked that was reasonably priced. I mean, these things are precious, but they're not $150 for a box precious to me. Maybe they are to you, but I got something better for you. At Walmart, for the very low price of 97 cents a piece, you can get these sweet pencil pouches. Yep, not back in kindergarten, but super cheap, super easy, super effective. It's the three things I like. Everybody knows that. Yeah, look at this. What do you have? You got a pencil pouch, like glide bait. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. Now your glide bait is protected and, I mean, safe, I guess. If you was to throw it around, it wouldn't be, but that brings us to the next point. How you store it. Check out how I do it. I like to use a simple bait binder. This one actually came from Academy quite a few years ago. I got a bunch of them. It's the one that you put the worms in. It's got the little pack, but those little zipper pouches and stuff that come in. It's like a Ziploc. It tears, it's no good. This works way better. So basically, all your glides are in here. You can zip it up, bring it around, flip through, see what kind of glides you need. Easy peasy, easy access, protected. All your precious glides are in there and safe. So this, if you're going fish with a buddy, throw on your backpack, zip it up, carry it by the handle. You're going fish the bank, you're going fish a pond, whatever, no big deal. If you have a boat, I have a compartment that I dedicated just to my big glides. In my boat, I have a storage box that I dedicated just to big glides. And I put all my big glides in these containers, and I can just simply open up this back container from the boat anywhere, walk back here, flip through. Let me see what glide. Oh, let me go. Oh, here we go. Seems kind of silly, but you get the point. It's cheap, it's easy, it's effective. For 97 cents a piece, you can slap your glides in these things, and bam, you're done. I like to use the hook protectors just to kind of protect my bag and also protect my glide, so my glide doesn't get all scratched up. You can buy these on Amazon. I think I bought a big pack of 100 for like, I don't know, 10 bucks or something. Not necessary, you don't have to use that. I prefer to. I don't want to get them all jacked up, you know what I mean? All right, guys, that wraps up the video for today. Very simple. Just wanted to share this with y'all. Like I said, just kind of getting into glide bait fishing last year or so, and you know, storing them and whatnot. I had lots of questions. Figured I'd put something out there. I think that it works. It's cheap, it's easy, it's effective. I've said it many times, but it's important. It's very, very important. Well, that's all I got for you today. I got to get back to watching this Johnny Schultz stuff. I got to tournament on beaver here shortly, and it's a tricky lake, so I need to learn everything I can. All right, y'all. I got stuff to do. Catch you later.